Hola, soy Dora. Lol. It wasn't even funny. Anyways, today I'm gonna show you guys how to render hair. Don't ask me about the ugly base cause I didn't even put any effort in this. Lol. So we will choose the color. Of course it's blue cause blue is my favorite. Maybe. I don't know. So we will, add the base color now cause without the base color we are baseless. Like my jokes, these aren't even funny. Literally, and I'm yapping this shit. Like, bruh, blah, blah, blah. Now we will add the base color, cause, yeah, we will add the base color, and it looks ugly. Like, bruh, it reminds me of Sonic. Let's trust the process, okay? We will trust the process. And my mic died. Died Coke. So we will add some blobs and a darker shade, and we will color it with that, that pen. I love that pen. We will add bananas with the lasso tool, like we will shape it like bananas, the hair of course, and this pen helps with it, with the highlights and stuff, so I like this pen. And you will just do the same as I do cause you're watching my tutorial. So yeah, we will draw a bunch of bananas, and we will why am I saying we will? And I will draw some bananas or a bunch of bananas and shade it cause it looks good. It looks good. And I'm using the lasso cause I'm lazy. If you're lazy like me, you can also use the lasso tool. At the beginning I didn't use that much lasso tool cause I didn't like that, and now I'm using lasso tool for everything, almost everything, not everything, cause I don't know. Enough of my yapping. You have eyes, you can watch. We will add some string thingies with the lasso tool. It's like shading the hair, it's for shading the hair. So it basically gives it like a 3D effect. Nah, it doesn't. For me it doesn't, cause mine looks like, I don't know, it's just a process of rendering, maybe. And I'm not even trusting my process cause it looks ugly. But anyways, we will just try to fix it. And in another layer, we will add a dark shade cause it's supposed to be dark, And we will fix the strands. Yeah, it wasn't even fixed, but at least I tried to fix it. Maybe I'm gonna change the opacity of this layer. And we will add a bunch of blobs again cause it also highlights the hair. The blobs will have a lighter color cause why not? Why am I saying why not so many times, bruh? I love the lasso tool. And now we will make this as an overlay, and of course we will change the opacity, and we will again focus on the hair highlight. You can add the shape as you like cause it depends on your art style. I'm adding this roughy shapes or pointy shapes cause I don't know. Basically, I don't have any specific art style for now cause I'm still working on my art style. So I will just do this grass thingy. Yeah. And we will add a little bit of lighter color. And then maybe I'm gonna change the opacity. I made it soft lighted cause I don't know. Loki, you can give anything you like cause it's your art style, bro, not mine. Lol. What am I saying? Kaboom. Like, bruh, I'm so boring and I'm so noob. I'm gonna change the opacity now of the shading cause it looks so ugly. It still looks ugly. I'm basically doubting on my own art skill. Lol. Now we will add those, like, the pointy place in your head. I don't know, Loki, how to say that. I forgot, but never mind. It's like there the hair starts. No, like not the hair doesn't starts there, but like it has a bald spot. Loki. I made it like a tree. Those tall. What do we call that? Don't mind my English. It's bad. It's totally bad. So we will add more dark highlights on the edge because it still looks ugly and we are trying to fix it. Like bruh, we are just adding more shading, but it depends. It looks nice, but it depends on your art style. Will it look nice or not? Okay, it depends on the expressions and stuff and your art style, cause if it's edgy and stuff, it will look probably good. And we will add more dark shades cause we can't even fix ourselves or the filter. So we are trying to why am I saying we again, bro? Me. It's me. It's about me. And we will change the opacity. I don't know. The highlights look dull and boring as if. So we will add teensy highlights. Yeah. I tried to change the opacity, but no, it isn't even opacity, like those normal multiply modes and stuff. I tried to change those, but it didn't look that good. So we will just smoothen the edges out. And it doesn't even look that bad. Yeah, it looks mid. So basically, why am I saying basically? Why am I saying basically so much? Like, it doesn't look that bad. Maybe we will now clean the edges because it actually looks bad. I'm gonna probably make another video about hair cause it isn't that good. And low-key I switch up to fingers and pen cause my pen lags so much, and it has like low charge. It doesn't have that much charge. So I'm gonna take the airbrush and airbrush the edges and the top. It looks a bit better. But it's yeah. I'm gonna change the opacity. It doesn't look that bad, right guys? You can add like this type of highlight if you want to, but I don't want to add this. I'm just struggling with my pen or fingers. Now we will we will darken the edges of those hair shadows with multiply mode. She looks like Sonic if Sonic got a haircut. So basically this is the start point, and here the hair goes, but it depends on your the position your character is in, okay? But like that's the middle point where your hair starts, the strands and the banana starts off, okay? And then I did mistakes here and here, like the highlight shouldn't be like this. I didn't notice that first. It should have been like this, okay? Like a ring shape. But me. You don't know me, but yeah. It should have been like this, not like that. Okay? And the dark shapes are always inside. And you can add these blobs cause this thing kinda highlights the hair to me. Yeah, it highlights the hair for me, okay? And then you can like see those easy shapes and stuff, bunch of bananas. It depends, Loki. Bananas. Banana. Like if you use them, if you think your hair in some shapes, the shapes you remember, it looks like a petal, flower petal, or leaf or banana. It's your wish. You can address it how you like. And that's enough for today, cause I didn't have the pro version of Ivy's pain. Lol, I'm poor. I know. And I also can't speak properly, as you can see. Like I get that I stop mid sentences, or combine some things and stuff. So yeah, sorry about that. Bye bye. See you in the next video.